celebrate you as the fierce, intentional, resilient, and empowered woman that you are. Friday is the only day of the week named after a goddess. It is the day of the week that we can truly honor the divine feminine. And together as women, we can come together and tap into our feminine fire so that we can overcome our pain, our trauma, and our disappointments, so that we can maximize our potential, so that we can live a fierce and phenomenal life. Did you know that you are the dream of God? Yes, you are God's dream. You are here by divine design. You are God's dream. You are the dream of God that is here to manifest into your experience all of the things that you get an opportunity to filter through your own free will. You get the opportunity to manifest into your experience all of the things that come through your awareness, your knowledge, and your understanding, and your wisdom. You are the one that gets an opportunity to manifest the dream life called you in the experience that you are here to live. Your life is the divine design of the Creator. You're created in the image and the likeness of the divine, the one mind, the infinite intelligence, the universal all, God, or whatever you decide that you want to call Him, source, substance, whatever. You are completely here as the divine design of the infinite. You are the idea in the mind of God, and now you are here by divine design to live whatever experience that you get an opportunity to create. You are given the free will to be able to choose all of the things that you want to discover so that you can find out what it is that makes you happy. You are the dream of God. Manifest with everything inside of you to co-create and to create whatever it is that you feel in your heart that you're here to do. And if you're stuck somewhere, I want you to know that there's no such thing as truly being stuck. Begin to dream again, because you are God's dream, and you're here to dream up all of the things that you could possibly want to try to accomplish or to discover in your experience. And all of the things that you need are already resident inside of you to attract into your experience all that you need in order for you to manifest that. I have helped countless women come into the awareness that they are the dream of God. And I would like to share with you feminine empowerment secrets that I have helped some of my one-on-one clients with so that they could get there. So all you have to do is just go to daretobefierce.com. That's daretobefierce.com, so that you can join my private Facebook group called the Dare to Be Fierce Feminine Masterclass, where I share lots of these feminine empowerment secrets so that you can understand that you are the dream of God, created perfect, whole, and complete, and that there's nothing about you that's missing, there's nothing about you that's wrong, there's nothing about you that's not good enough to be the exact thing that you want to be. So until next week, for the next episode of Fierce Feminine Fridays, I look forward to talking to you again then, and until so, have an amazing weekend, and love and fight.